everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know this lighting is not great. I'm looking a hot mess. Today we actually just closed on our new house. So exciting. We've been moving all morning long. I am here at Costco going to get a handful of things that we need to stock up wise. I stock our new pantry, so very excited about that. I wanted to take you along with me. Not sure if I will film on the inside or not because it does look like it's pretty busy, but I will definitely obviously show you a Costco haul on everything that I get. So I'm gonna go shopping and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm popping in here real quick because I'm actually going to make this video a collab video. I wanted to do it kind of separately, but my life has been a little bit crazy right now because we just signed the contract on our new house and we've been moving in, so life has been a bit crazy. I have a house full of kids right now that I'm babysitting as well, and things have just obviously, still got to decorate and stuff like that. So obviously I'm going to be showing you the Costco haul in this video and some speed cleaning, like packing and organizing and things like that. So I'm doing this collab with Candace Nicole, and she is seriously so freaking sweet. Our channels are so much alike, and she does childcare as well. She does vlogs, grocery hauls, speed clean videos, just like me, and she has been married to her husband for 14 years. She has 2 boys, and they all live in Indiana. She's just so gorgeous and so sweet. I've been loving getting to know her more, and this is going to be her first collab on her channel, so definitely go check that out. I'll have all her information linked down below. If you are from her channel and you have obviously not watched any of my videos and you're sticking around and subscribing and liking this video, I really appreciate it. And just know I look a hot mess a lot of the time, but once we're settled in this house, I want to start doing my makeup more and looking a bit more presentable. So just bear with me while I'm looking a bit crazy and in the next few videos. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure you go check out Candace's channel. And I'm pretty sure that's all that I wanted to say about that. Thank you so much, Candace, for doing this vlog with me, this video with me. Obviously, I can't talk. I need to eat breakfast and hydrate and have my coffee. So yeah, enjoy this video, guys.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd.
All right, this is our new kitchen. I'm gonna be painting these white, but I wanted to give y'all a little sneak peek. Obviously, we just moved in. Today is day number 1, and I wanted to get some groceries. I tried to lay it out and show y'all. I'm going to show you everything I got from Costco. So I got some organic. I didn't really care if it was organic or not, but this is the only kind I had. Daybreak blend. It has peaches, mango, strawberries, pineapple. I'm not a big fan of mango, but it'll be whatever. These will be great because I want to start doing some protein smoothies in the morning. Always such a great deal. Getting ketchup at Costco. Again, all they had was the organic kind, so I was like, whatever, just got it. And then I got the really big Nrg bars for the kiddos that I babysit. Hunter likes these as well. Just a very super easy snack. And then I got these right here, which I do have some of. Let me show you guys. Our food from the other place I put in a bin. So we've got these right here before, and these are really good. They're the cheese wrap snacks from Kroger, and they're from Crystal Farms, but I can only find them at Kroger. They're really good, but they're very, very pricey. It's like $6, I think, for one of those. And these right here, I forgot the price, but they're way more affordable. And I love the fact that it's got 13 grams of protein. So I'm excited to try these out. I'll let y'all know if I like them or not. And then we got some egg whites because your girl is obviously trying to eat better. And egg whites is a great source of protein. I got some Eggos. I've never gotten this before, but I've always seen the huge box. And this is such a great price compared to buying just one of the small ones or multiple ones of the small ones. This has 72 waffles in it, which the kiddos that I watch and Hunter are going to love those as well. We always get our cheese there because we get 2 huge bags. And then I got Hunter Hunter, look at this. I got you a huge box of Pop-Tarts. Is that awesome? It comes with 32 toaster pastries, so that'll be great. Hunter loves Pop-Tarts. And then over here, Hunter tried these, not this brand, but another brand of the fruit bars, and he absolutely loved them, so I'm hoping he likes these. There's raspberry lemonade, strawberry banana, and pineapple passion fruit. I actually think I'll probably try one of these because they look really yummy. I mean, those flavors look yummy. I got the Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas, some carrots. This is a lot of carrots, but carrots, in my opinion, don't go bad that fast. Plus, the kiddos I watch can eat them. I'm trying to do more of a healthier option there. And then, obviously, I can eat some with, like, hummus as well. For a very simple meal, Matt loves these. They are the Asian wrapped with rotisserie chicken, and the dressing is really good. I might steal one of these. Yum. They're really good. I'm going to try to be doing more what I eat in a day video, so I'll show you guys that in there. And then the stuffed bell peppers with ground beef and rice from Costco. Those looked delicious as well. And then over here, I got this huge Kodiak Power Cakes flapjack and waffle mix. I love this stuff so much. Great source of protein. And I have a few new recipes I want to try with that. The kids, you know kids. Some of them love hot dogs. So I get this huge thing of hot dogs and give that to the kiddos. And then Hunter likes ramen noodles every once in a while. So I just got like a big old thing of ramen. It's a good little quick meal and split up with the kids to have like some noodles for lunch as well. I saw these. I've been seeing them for a few months and I've been wanting to get them. It's the green chili shredded chicken and red cauliflower bowls. And I thought the macros on this were really good. 240 calories and it has 23 grams of protein. So that is really freaking good. So I'm hoping I like these, and if I do, I definitely want to pick up some more. So quick meals like this are super easy, especially when I'm doing childcare. And then the kids love fruit. These are just obviously the easiest thing to get instead of buying like tons of peaches and dicing them up, I just open these up for the kids, empty the juice, and then dump it on their plate for them. They really enjoy these. And then over here, these are a staple in our house. Hunter is obsessed with the Z-bars. He loves these so much. He loves all of the flavors: chocolate chip, iced oatmeal, cookie, and the chocolate brownie. The chocolate brownie is definitely a hit. Very good. I actually have some of these that are the protein version that I really like. Then this is the first time we've ever got these, the Nutella Cinco. Hunter, come here real quick. I just gave him one. This one was a 16 pack, and I'm curious what he thinks of it. What do you think of that little thing that I got you? What are you doing? So this is another area, but you guys will see a house tour very soon. Where's that your little Nutella thing I gave you? Is it behind your back? Let me see. You got chocolate on your face. Do you like it? Are you glad Mommy picked those up? Yeah. Did you eat it all? Let me see. Dang, you still got a lot of do you like that stuff in there? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Is it good? That was your last one? Yeah. Well, I'm glad you like it. I am not a fan of Nutella. You guys let me know if you like Nutella or not. I'm not a fan of hazelnut. I got some chopped salad, Mediterranean Crunch chopped salad very excited about. I'm going to use this rotisserie chicken that I got from Costco and shred it up and put it in there. I'm very excited. I got 2 things of dark sweet cherries because Hunter actually really likes eating these frozen. I just like put them in a bowl and he munches on them and I'm like, okay, it's something somewhat healthy. But I think it's like the sweetness and stuff that he really likes. So I got 2 bags because I am going to be using one for my smoothies. I got some grapes for the kiddos, some strawberries for the kiddos that I watch. If you're new here, I do childcare like all week long. I love strawberries myself, so I'll be eating some of those. And obviously my son likes them both, so he'll be having some of those as well. I did get some black beans. I feel like this is the best way to get canned food, so you don't have to buy them separately from the can. I think it's more cost efficient to buy them bulk like this. And then instead of buying chicken broth, I got this Better Than Bouillon roasted chicken base that I can just use in my soups when I make rotisserie chicken soup. Not rotisserie chicken, chicken tortilla soup, which I love. I'll show you guys a recipe on that here soon. I'm going to try it with this. And then I got these spinach and bell pepper egg bites. These looked very good and very healthy. I'm excited to try those. And then I got a big bundle of bananas. Okay, so I put this in the other bin and did not realize that sorry, this refrigerator beeps when it's left open, that I have to show you guys this. This right here is by far the best thing I think I've ever tried from Costco. It's the street corn dip. It is so freaking good. Seriously, like this is a necessity when they have it. So freaking good. Alright, so I've been piling my clothes just right on top of my dresser because I really wanted to go through it and declutter all the stuff that I wasn't going to wear anymore, that I didn't want to move to the new place. So all this clothes is clean. All these clothes are clean. I just have not wanting to put them in the drawers because I knew I had to take them out anyway. So me just kind of being lazy, I guess. But I'm going to sort through it and then sort through my closet as well. that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this video was kind of all over the place. My videos aren't usually like this. It's usually just dedicated to one specific thing. So like I said, bear with me. But if you are new to my channel and you do like this video, be sure you subscribe, like, comment down below and say, hey, I'm from Candace's channel. I love doing YouTube. It's definitely a passion of mine. It's just so much fun, and I've gotten to know a handful of people that I love. Plus, I obviously love meeting new people. So comment down below and say, hey. And definitely go check out Candace. Like I said, she's just so gorgeous. She's so down to earth. And she just does a handful of videos, and I always get so excited when she uploads. So again, thank you, Candace, for doing this collab with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes